Hi everybody, welcome back. This is the first part of my muscular dystrophy awareness group build hosted by Scott at Saltwater Scale Models. I'm building a Polar Lights snap kit, the 64 Pontiac GTO. Here we are in day one. All the parts have been washed and cleaned. It seems that all the black parts have a lot of seam marks and a lot of work to clean up. So I've done all that, got everything sanded and filed and cleaned up. Got the engine put together. It comes with either 2-barrel or 3-barrel carburetors. I think I'm going to go with the 2-barrel on this one, and I'll be back to paint it. It's a snap kit, but I glued it together. It takes some work to clean up the mounting points for the heads to go onto the block. So there's a fair bit of work to do this. It's not just a kid's snap kit. It takes a fair bit of work, and it's coming along well. So I spray painted the interior floor and the chassis with flat black, and the firewall with flat black, and cleared it. The chassis pieces here, the frame pieces, I did with folk art wrought iron mixed with a little bit of gunmetal, just to give it a slightly different color than the chassis underneath. For the chrome parts, I scraped the chrome off on the gear shift knob, used a Molotow pen to chrome the shaft, and some Aztec white pearl on the knob. I also used the Aztec pearl white on the backup lights on the rear bumper. I did the rear tail lights in with a red Sharpie. I did the front marker lights with an orange Sharpie. I did a black wash on the front grille and on the center console based on some reference pictures that I had. I used the darker gray Stynylrez primer to give the final finish a deeper red color. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for further updates.